Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Samsung tab. In my case, I have the Samsung SMT210. So in this case here, I'm going to click the volume up key and the power button at the same time with the home button. So I'm going to hold the home button plus the up button. Then I'll turn on the tablet, then to show that has gone on, then release the power button, and this will take you to the recovery mode of this tablet. So when you reach here, there are a few things you're going to do. You're going to use the volume down key to navigate, to go ahead and go to wipe data partition, cache partition. You click the power key to accept changes. Then you are going to go down to wipe data and factory reset. And this is going to be very simple again. Click the volume down and you go to wipe data and factory reset. Then you click the power key to accept changes. Volume down to navigate. Then click the power key, and this is going to delete everything in your tab. And this process would work on other versions of Samsung tablets. So this is how you do it. Then after here, it's going to go ahead and ask you to reboot your Samsung. You're going to do reboot system. I'm going to reboot mine. And this is the easy steps that you go through in hard resetting your Samsung phones or smartphones or tablets in case you forgot your password and patterns. This is how you do it. And your tablet is going to load files. And this will take like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop from here. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like, comment, and click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.